The reasons adults aren't picky eaters is because they buy the food that they want. Marvin, if you don't, our stomachs are always full of warm vomit. Hey, that's just gross. That's just nasty. Waldo could literally be in every book, just no one's found him yet. You did not say, shut up, stop. When people insult you in your dreams, you're insulting yourself. Marvin, I'm gonna need you to just stop talking. Just stop. Maybe our saliva actually has a taste, but we're so used to it, our brain just tones it out. Candles have been changed from being used to see to being used for smell. I really need new friends, like seriously. In The Incredibles, they named Dash before they even knew what his powers were. Marvin, oh my gosh. Mosquitoes are real-life vampires. Stop it. Get out of my room. The final thing that's mostly ordered on a computer is a new computer. You got about 5 seconds to get out before I come over there and tackle you.